Hi foodies! So today on She Cooks It All, we are going to make this delicious grilled goat meat. This is known in the Congo as Ntaba, and trust me, is one of the best grilled meat you will ever make at home or even buy, okay? So here is my everything I'm using. I've just shown you the meat, my dry wrap, and this here will give us our wet marinade. The meat I'm using is the shoulder. So ask your butcher for goat shoulder, not lamb, not mutton, goat. Okay? Ask your butcher, they will cut it and prep it for you. And I have already washed it and pat dry it with a clean towel. Again, I will leave everything in the description down below. Let's make our wet marinade first. So here it is. We are going to blend this goodness up with our blender until it's nice and smooth. Everything about this is down in the description, guys. Okay, so I got you. Pour that in there, followed by our dry rub, and then we are going to use our hand and really properly get in there. Massage this, really take your time here. Make sure everything is coated with this goodness. Once you are happy with that, we are going to cover this and place this in the fridge to marinate minimum 2 hours. Making sure, guys, before you are ready to cook, take it out of the fridge like an hour before so it can come to room temperature. And now, once it was ready, I got my fire ready and I'm using wood. This is the secret. You grill with wood. Start your fire with charcoal and then add in 1 or 2 wood so that the flame will keep going, because this is the secret to this grilled goat. Is grill your goat with wood, not charcoal. My barbecue was nice and hot and ready. Just follow with your barbecue instruction on how to light it up, because this is a different. But if you need more information on mine, please let me know in a comment below, okay? Spread your meat all over your heated barbecue. And again, guys, wood. Can you see the wood on the side there? This is the secret to this meat. Please take your time and find some wood. Go to the shop. Anywhere in the UK they sell wood. So yeah, that one. Cover. Once that is, starting up, we're going to make a wet solution here, which we're going to be spraying on the meat as it's cooking, and it's simply oil, water, and lemon juice. This stuff will keep our meat nice and juicy and not dry, because nobody have time for dry meat, okay? Anywho, so what we are going to be doing every 2, 3, or 5 minutes, giving our meat a turn, and then we spray it with this liquid concoction to keep it nice and moist. Cover, continue cooking. The secret to keep your fire and your flame going is using these chip. These wood chip are the secret, but make sure you use the one that are safe for cooking, because not all wood are safe for cooking, guys. These, they even add a smoke flavor to your barbecue. Ooh, the best. Okay, make sure you use the one that are safe for cooking, okay? And keep that flame going. Can you see that flame below? Don't let that die. That is the secret to grilled goat meat. Give it a turn again, as I mentioned, every 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want this to burn. Keep on giving this a turn and then spray with our liquid spray, and then you are good to go. My meat was cooked for about 25 to 30 minutes because I cooked it. I like my meat to be cooked medium to well done, not fully well done and not fully medium, somewhere in between. It allows my meat to stay fresh and soft even after 2-3 days, or if I freeze some, my meat will always be soft. So cook it to your liking. Don't let the flame die. If it's too hot, you can spray a little bit of water on your flame. It will kind of, keep it down, but keep that flame going. Cover your meat, spray it with a little bit of water or that liquid concoction, okay, and cook it to your liking. Mine is medium to well done and took about 30 minutes. Now we are going to add some onion to our meat, because just that's how I like it and how I see traditionally goat meat is done. Add some onion. We're going to heat that onion up a little bit. So this is just the last 2 minutes. Add the onion, cover. After that, it was ready, guys. I served this with something called kwanga, which is the fermented cassava bread. Whew, it was party in my mouth. This is so good, guys. I hope you are inspired, and if you have watched up until this far, I hope you have subscribed and join us. Give us a like, a comment, tell us where you are watching from, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.